Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use image, filters, and effects. So let's get straight into it. First of all, I'm going to delete everything that I have in my project here. And then what I'm going to do is simply add an image to this project. So I'm just going to add the very first image that is here. And I will start by showing you some image effects. So I'll collapse this menu on the left over here. And you want to select your image and then click onto effects at the top just here. Now you will see all of the different effects that are available for you to apply to your image. So I'll just briefly scroll through them so you can see what there are. As you can see, there are rows and rows and rows of different effects. So at the top we have duotone, which pretty much changes the color of your image. And then as you scroll down, you can see some more effects as well. I recommend just trying them out to see which ones you are going to like. And as well as having these pre-made effects that you can just apply to your image, you can also customize the effects. So now that I have this one selected, if I click onto this little icon here, I have all of these different options to customize this particular effect. So I'll just make some random changes. And as you can see, every single change that I make on the left also changes the image over here. So these are the image effects on Canva. Now we will take a look at the image filters. So just like we clicked effects up here, instead we are now going to click onto filter. And as you can see, we have all of these different filter options. So to have a look at these filters, I'm going to add a new photo. And I will delete this other one. And let's just try out some of these different filters. So we have summer. You can once again customize each filter, just like you could with the effects. Let's have a look at solar. That's quite a nice one. Edge. That's an interesting one. And finally, I will have a look at drama. There we go. So you can have a look at these filters in your own time and find the one that you like the most. They're all quite cool. It just depends on your style really and what you are designing. I must say that grayscale looks really cool with this particular image. So there we go. That's how you can use image, filters, and effects in Canva. That is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something new. I will see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.